Now, so far my boat's only move in a straight line. What I'd like to do is have a boat maybe move in kind of a motion up and down. Now I could insert a whole bunch of keyframes, but I'm going to insert another layer. I'm going to call this one boat3. I'm going to use what's called a motion guide. Okay, and I'm going to lock these other layers. I'm going to turn off everything. Actually, if I click on this eye, that turns everything off, and then I can turn this layer on. I'm going to drag another instance of my boat over here, scale it down a bit. Now, actually, I could change the color of this. If I make a copy of this, let's bring my copy over instead, because I like these boats, but I don't want them all to be the same color. So I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to choose Edit. And let's see, I'll change the fill color of the hull. Let's see, I'll make the hull blue. I've already made the stripe blue. I'll make the hull white or gray, otherwise it won't show up against it. Okay, good enough. And I'll go back to my scene, and now I've got a boat of a different color. Not pretty, but it works. Okay, so I just made a copy of the boat here and I changed its color. That's just a way of basically kind of cheating. You don't have to use everything all over and over again. So again, I'm going to start off here. I'm on my boat 3 layer. I'm going to insert a keyframe here and move it over here and create a motion tween. Okay, already done that. Now, what I want to do though is on my layer, I'm going to right click, I'm going to add a motion guide. Okay, so what a motion guide is it's a path for the boat to follow. So I'm going to start off with a pencil. I'm going to start right around about the middle of that boat, and I'm going to draw a little smooth wave here and end up right here. Now, the trick with a motion guide is this. Notice the little dot in the center there. That has to be on the path. That's what's actually following the path. If that dot is not on the path in the first keyframe, it's not going to work. It also has to be on the path in the last keyframe. So I notice here my dot is off of the path, so I'm going to move my whole boat so that my dot is actually on the path. And now you can see that my boat actually follows the path. Now that guide won't show up on the movie. The other thing I can do is, if I want to, although I've never found this really convincing, I can set it to orient to the path. So you can see that it actually kind of rotates in the direction of the path too. Okay, not bad. Call this boat09, being very sloppy about that. And